So welcome back, guys. So in this lesson I am going to show you how to make an squat stretchy leg, like cartoony. So let's get started. So first go and modify and add attribute. Okay, where you can add attribute, and let's name it stretch. Okay, leg underscore stretch. Just let's make it displayable and float value. Add, and let's make another attribute auto underscore stretch auto stretch, and let's make it boolean on and off and hit add. Okay, so let's close this tab. So to create a squat stretchy setup, we need to first create a distance dimension node. So go to create, measure tool and distance tool. Okay, let's put this distance tools on up here in self. So what we need to do is, let's first go and go to this attribute, and let's not do anything on this. We are not going to do anything on this JJ. So let's hide this JJ for a while and just on hide IK, because it will get, we don't want it to get on a way. Okay, it's just for a blend purpose where we never put any controls on this JJ joint. So let's go to the distance dimension tool and let's just create a locator up here, hit P. Okay, and then let's create another locator to the ankle. Okay, we've created a locator, so let's go and rename them. Okay, let's use this locator for a while. Just it create a locator. If you go and just select a locator and it take that locator as a one, so create another locator. So let's put this rename this locator boy 01 underscore L underscore ANKL ankle underscore dist distance LOC locator. Okay, and let's rename this also. So let's rename this leg 01 dist sh this safe. Okay, let's put 01 up here, 01. Okay, so now why we create this? We just create this to get a value. Up here it's 2.933, so we can't put that value. So if we put it, will just react in a different way. So let's stretch it, and our accurate stretch is 2.933. Okay, we need to do one more connections. We need to connect this locator to this CV cusp and just select this followed by this and go to constant, point constant, and just maintain offset on. Okay, so we have created this locator, and okay, it will move along with the joint. So what we need is, if we just and it's going to give us a value 3.07. okay, so if we will just put this up here a little bit. Okay, I think 2.999. Just okay, I think at 3 you also can get value up here. It is the same value. It's okay, it's 3. Okay, then we got in what length does the leg get straight? It's on 3. So let's create an expression. Go to window, animation editor, expression editor, and select by name is okay. So let's create an expression boy 01 underscore L underscore LEGA stretch 01 underscore exp expression, and let's create some comments. creating, creating, stretch, and let's put some dot in like that. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to write an if else statement. If open bracket, close bracket, and open curly bracket, and just put it down. We just always forget to do this, so it's nice way to put it up here in the first thing. So what we need up here, if this shape distance dimension, this, okay, this distance dimension shape, copy it and just paste it. If dot distance, we need this dot distance attribute up here, shape dot distance is greater than, okay, greater than or is equal to 3. Then what we need to do, then we need it to be stretched. So what we need to be stretched, not JJ joints, we need this IK joints to be stretched. Okay, so just hit tab on your keyboard, okay, tab, paste it, IK dot, see the local rotation axis, its axis facing on its scale direction. We want to scale the X, not Y and G. We want to be stretchy. So dot scale X, okay, SX is equal to what, is equal to boy 01 dot distance, okay, divided, okay, we can do this, divided by 3, okay, copy it and then just paste it, and then just control V, and we just not want to be just only hip to be stretched, we want knee 01, and copy this and just put this up here, knee 02 be stretch, and hit create. Okay, there is no error on our expression. Okay, then what if it is not it's not equal to or less than 3? If it is not equal to or less than 3, put else, okay, let's open curly bracket, close curly bracket. If it is not equal to or less than 3, just we don't want it to be stretched or do anything more, just copy this name, sx is equal to, it have to be 1. Let's just copy the whole line, Control C, Control V, is equal to 1. 1, just give it a space, it's not necessary, but let's make it clean. Okay, we have also closed the bracket and hit edit. Let's see what happened now. Okay, so what happened is we will get a stretchy limb. Okay, and now the problem is it's off. We just want it to be work when it's 1 on, so let's work on that. So it's a simple thing. We just want to do if open curly bracket, close curly bracket, and followed by this, and let's put up here, okay, close curly bracket. If what, if boy leg, okay, it's on this controller, so let's copy its name, paste it, Control V, dot what, auto stretch. Okay, UTO auto underscore STRETCH stretch is equal to 1. Then okay, it's working properly. Else, then let's write a else statement. Okay, what to do if it is not for a off? If okay, we need to put a else statement, else if boy01 dot is equal to, not this time 0 for off, because it's when we put 0 value it's off, and when we put on value it's 1 value it's on. So let's, if when it at 0, then what we want to do is we just don't want it to take effect. Control C and Control V and edit it. Okay, now close the expression and go to it value. So it's at on and it's working properly. Okay, it's stretching properly. But if it's at off, okay, it will not stretch. So you will get an easy controller for on and off. Okay, so if you put 1 again, then it is going to stretch. So what we need to do is we just let's put this distance dimension node onto extra. You can create a hidden extra up here, but let's just parent it right now and just create another node for the hidden extras, and just let's put it up here and hit P, and just let's hide this for a while because we are not going to need this. Okay, then it's working properly, but the problem is okay, if you scale it up, then it is going to give you a trouble. So there is a way to fix this up. So what we need to create is a node called multi-divide, CREATE, create node node, MULTIPLY, multiply, DIVID, divide. Okay, hyperset. Okay, otherwise if you don't do any mistake with typing this node, typing this line, because it will not come up here properly. But there's another way. Go to my nodes, here is other, all nodes on my nodes, go to my nodes, and here is in general utility you can find out this multi-divide nodes, the same thing. So let's rename this. Okay, let's rename this, rename it as boy01 underscore L underscore LEG STRETCH straight 01 underscore MD for multi-divide node. And what we need to do is we need to divide the value divide the value. So let's divide it, and just let's unhide Swift Edge, and we need this value, not an accurate value. We just need this 3 value, because okay, not this one value 299. Okay, not this value. We need the value in which the leg is going to stretch completely to multiply, otherwise you will get an wrong deformation. It's at 3 and 3. And let's also put this to 1. It's not necessary, but you could get an error while opening this Maya file. So let's put it at 1. And what next we need to do is we just need to go to an expression editor. Okay, custom expression editor, and we need to tie this multi-divide node with our global scale. not this one, not this one, but it's for this scale, because the actual scale that is controlling is this, and this is controlling this scale by doing the parent constant. So we want this to be controlled. So let's, okay, control C, control C, okay, and let's just select the same leg stretch expression, and let's create a comment, CONNECTING, connecting WITS with GLOBAL global SCAL scale. Okay, so what we need to do is, we need this multi-divide node. Okay, we need this. Let's just paste it for a while, and just let's put it is equal to up here, and let's select the multi-divide node. Where you can find the multi-divide node is, I think, in a hypershade. Okay, hypershade multi-divide node, and let's just copy its name, control C, and just paste it up here, control V, boy01.md dot, what we're going to need is output 1x, it's in an input x, 1x, so let's put it input input 1x. I'm going to show you. Okay, input 1, okay, 1x dot input 1x is equal to boy01. What we want is, it's not the, let's select this, and it's the y which is controlling the total scale. Other attribute is not doing anything to the scale g, so we want to control it by scale y. Just select scale, okay, dot sy, and we need it to be multiplied by what? We need it to be multiplied by 3. Okay, then edit. We don't get any errors. Now see what happened. Okay, still it is a problem, I think. Okay, what we forget to do is, let's just copy this boy01 dot input x and replace with it 3, control V, control V, control V, and control V up here, and hit edit. Okay, so see what happened if you do this. Okay, we're getting a good expression. Just don't forget to replace that value, either it's whatever value, with this input x, and just, it's not a 3. I sometimes become confused. Just, it's the value that's we're getting out from this node when we get a complete stretch. So if we just messed up with that value, if you not get a proper value, see that I'm going to show you the result what we are going to get. Okay, if we'll put, okay, it's connected right now, but if we had put, okay, let's just put up here 2, then see what happened. Okay, then if we'll go and, okay, we'll get this kind of error. So we just put it to 3, and I think we're not getting any problem. Okay, it's working properly, and we also have got auto stretch on off. Okay, on, so let's put it off. let's put the value of 0 to make it off, and we feel scale it's also properly scaling. So I think you got an idea how to do that. I think you get a little bit confused. If we'll just create a locator. Okay, so let's meet on another chapter.